Okay, folks, here we go. Got myself an air fryer. Can you believe it? Been so against them for a long time. Main reason being, it makes it easier for people to cook shitty foods that are bad for us more often. It's the only reason. But it does have its uses. I love to do chicken wings. I do them in my oven. I'm going to use this baby to do some wings here in the basket. This one did have a preheat option on it for wings, which I kind of liked. My wings, I just put them in a bowl. I washed them off, dried them off, put them in a bowl, a little bit of flour, a little bit of baking powder, salt and pepper. Then I sprayed them, but I put them on a separate tray and sprayed them a little bit with some oil. And then I placed them in the basket here. You want to leave a little bit of a gap in between each wing if you can. I've got 10. I'm going to go in here and it's going to time them for me. 24 minutes and 33 seconds. See what I want to do? I'm going to stop it. I want to go into wings here. This is my first time using it, so let's turn the power off. I want to do 10 minutes, flip them, and then 10 minutes. So let's see here. Temperature, I want 200 Celsius for sure. And the time, looking for the time button here. Let's just go, that's for temperature. That's 20 minutes. There we go, temperature and time. Let's go. Let's do 10 and 10 and see what happens here with the wings. Okay, so we'll hit start. It's going to preheat for a few minutes or maybe a few seconds, I'm not sure. And then go and do the cook for 10 minutes, flip, and cook for another 10. Okay, we are approaching 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius with my basket full of wings. It says end. Now, my idea here is to flip these over, give them another 10 minutes, and wow, would you look at that? Very impressive. This is just the one side. The other side is nice and crispy too here, but I'm going to get them a little bit crispier. And I also want to make sure that they're fully cooked, right? So I'm not convinced that an air fryer is going to fully cook a chicken wing in 10 minutes, even though they look like they're fully cooked. And yeah, nice and crispy. Very little effort to get a coating on these. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to flip these over and get them back in for 10 minutes at 200 Celsius. All right, wings have just ended. Let's open this baby up. Wow, okay, very nice. So let's get these things plated. I know they're cooked. I can tell just by looking at them. And this was 10 minutes on one side, 8 minutes on the other. And just so that they cook more evenly. I know an air fryer does cook fairly evenly, but wings, not so sure about. So, and evenness is really important to me. All right, so let's get these wings on the plate and dress them up. I'm going to do this fairly quickly here. All right, so still should look nice when I'm done. Nice long plate. Presentation is everything, right? So let's get these babies in here. I'm going to pile them up a little bit higher in the center. The basket here, not too greasy. There is some chicken fat on the bottom. And I always do oven wings. I never deep fry mine. I'm just looking for something I can put in the Airbnb maybe, or for myself if I just want to do some wings for 1 or 2 people, right? Usually I'm cooking for more than that, but... Okay, so I got some, this is called Yum Yum sauce. You can put whatever you want on these things. I just like to dress them up a little bit. And then I have some homemade gochujang barbecue sauce, Korean. This has a little bit of a kick. I love it. And put this stuff on everything. My squeeze bottle is not cooperating. Okay, a little bit of sesame oil here for some nuttiness. A little bit of nuttiness here, just a little drizzle. Some green onion, of course, for pop and flavor. Oh, yum, yum, I like that. And sesame seeds, a little sprinkle of sesame seeds. These are toasted, white and black mixed. There we go, folks. Look at this. Look at those wings. Aren't they beautiful? So very happy with that air fryer. Easy to use. Very, very simple. $79 at Costco. Hey, man, you can't go wrong. So grab yourself one and do some experimenting. The only thing I didn't do, sorry, is take one of these things. The other thing that concerns me too with air fryers is that it dries things out. From the outside, these wings don't look very moist, but from the inside, yeah, juicy. They are, so the drumettes, which is the big part of the wing, they are perfectly cooked. So yeah, really happy with this method. Thanks for watching.